and welcome to the company Ganter Norm, a German manufacturer of standard parts placed in the southwestern part of Germany, in Furtwangen, in the beautiful Black Forest area. The company Ganter has been founded in 1894, so has a very long tradition and is family owned in fourth generation right now. We are a manufacturer of standard parts in regards of clamping elements, operating elements, as well as also machine elements. We meanwhile have more than 550 employees. We are offering a product range of more than 70,000 article codes to our customers, offering a huge product catalog, and we are providing our standard parts worldwide to more than 80 different markets. Our typical customer base are the typical machine builders. So everywhere where you have a typical machine, you need leveling feet, you need hinges, you need operating elements like U-handles. This is everything what you can get easily from Ganter in different designs, different lengths. We are offering a huge range of different materials to our customers, starting from steel, zinc plated burnish, stainless steel, zinc die casting, aluminum. So here the customer can most likely choose always one product, one functionality, and choose different material combinations to find the suitable product for his application at the end. We at company Ganter, we are the specialists in machining metal parts, metal standard parts. On the other side, we have our partner Elesa, being the specialist in molding and producing plastic parts and putting all in all together. We have a perfect, suitable product range for our customer to choose either plastic or metal parts or hybrid versions out of both with materials. The fully automated assembly processes are very important for company Ganter. To remain economically and price-wise and quality-wise on the very best level, also the fully automation is a very important thing for us. Besides many fully automated machines, also the manual assembly is still very important for us. So there are a lot of steps meanwhile are still taken by our employees to assemble all our products here by hand. And so, well, we are working in a very nice atmosphere over here and people are enjoying assembling our products in the assembly department. This is one out of 3 warehouses we have here in Furtwangen, and indeed this is one of the key facts in selling standard parts worldwide. Our target in Germany as well as also worldwide is a delivery in between 24 hours. Ordering today and receiving all the parts tomorrow is our key philosophy in our way of service thinking to serve our products to the end customers. We are currently in front of the warehouse, so here the pick and place process are done. So if a customer places an order, here it will be taken out of the warehouse and simply transmit via conveying system to the packaging area. For the future, company Ganter will remain investing into new production capacities, into new production machines to fulfill the increasing market demands and also to remain our service approach to fulfill the customer requirements also in future. At the same time, we will increase our product range steadily, what we have done since ever, to reach out for new markets and also to reach out for new customers at the end.